Hello children, you are watching this video and in this video today's subject is self-development and art appreciation. In this subject the chapter number 2 media and I. Now just I am introducing about this chapter. Media influences our mind both consciously and subconsciously. It become an integral part of our daily lives today. We receive the informations of the world because of them. Now, in which stage you are, the thought process of teenage begins to mature. However, you still are in a confused state of mind. It is up to us to decide whether we should take our decisions accordingly to someone's opinions or take control of our lives and its many choices. So, like this, I'm going to explain some points in this chapter. You hear it carefully. Now, what is media? You must have come across the word media quite often. According to you, what does media mean? Where is the word media used in your daily life? Now make a web charts in your notebook which shown here. Now you are watching these web charts. See, first point is meaning of the word. Second is where we use this media. Third, the types. Four, the importance of media. And five other examples. So like this way you have to complete this web chart in your notebook. This is your homework. Now see the sources of information: newspaper, magazine, television, internet, radio, documentary. See here this chart, media. There are two types of media, traditional media and new media. Then again traditional media has two types. One is the broadcast and one is the print. Broadcast, televisions, radio, music, movies, and in print media, newspapers, magazine, books, signs, billboards like this. And in new media, website. In these websites, apps, email, smartphones, streaming videos, and second part blogs, books, social networks and streaming like this. Here some questions are: which sources provided informations to people? How do you come to know of events happening worldwide? How do you come to know about news products in the market? How do you come to know about the latest fashions? Then what informations media do you mostly use? Why? Means like this, some questions here given. You find the answers and write that answer in your notebook. The media has a great impact on our preferences. Now, which things you like? Then, what preferences you use for that things? Suppose soap. What brands do you use? How did you know about these products? Where have you seen them? On what basis did you choose them? Like this, you complete table in your notebook. Then next is impact of media. The media influences our mind consciously or subconsciously. The products shown in the advertisements attract us to a great extent. The news shown on the television make a deep impressions on our mind. Then what is the effect of media on our mind? Now see, this is a one advertisements. A boy wearing ordinary clothes is unable to confront hooligans, but when that same boy wear the clothes of particular brand, he gets the courage to fight the hooligans. A boy drinks an ordinary cold drinks and no one notices him. But when the same boy drinks a particular brand of cold drink, the people befriend him. A family which owns a small car is not respected by the people in the society. But when the same family buys a big costly car, people line up to socialize with the family. What we understand by these some advertisement? Before buying any product, what questions should you ask yourself? Here we should understand many a times advertisement makes us feel that we lead a substandard lifestyles and lack something. Hence we purchase products which may not be actually necessary for us. Also many natural resources are unnecessarily destroyed for the manufacturing such products. Use the internet and see the effect of unnecessary products on the environment. Now see here news headlines. Headlines have a major role in the newspaper. It is the first thing that can grab the attentions of the reader. They are important because they help the reader to identify the natures of the news so that they don't have to go through the whole news to understand what it is about. Now students see these some news headlines in the newspaper. Effect of fee hike, engineering seats remain vacant. Students prefer arts and commerce streams, engineering out of flavors. Admissions to engineering colleges on declines. So you have to compare these news headlines which appear to describe the same incidents. See here what differences do you find in these mentioned news headlines. What effect will these have on its respective readers? Now see students what we understand by these news headlines. In India, like Doordarshan, there are many other news channels, newspapers and magazines. Most are privately owned. Each one may have its own political, social agendas and also economic interest which they show through the media available to them. Hence, one has to be very careful and alert before believing an analysis. So see students, you should be first see that is that news right or wrong. You should be analysis according to that news when you read the news. Okay, now here the male image. Think about the heroes in the films you have seen. Do you wish to like them? Have you ever tried to behave like or imitate them? Which aspects of hero do you like to imitate? As a man, the hero is portrayed as strong, rash, carefree, doesn't care for other feelings, has the solutions to all the problems, and who never fails. To create such an image, the hero is shown as addicted, intoxicants, smoking, chasing, breaking traffic rules. Also, he always gets what he wants. Such an image is liked by mostly youngsters. Here the woman's image. Remember the TV serials and the films you have seen. Young girls, what they see when they see any female image, the heroine is projected as one who is a fair, beautiful, slim, tall. If she is not good looking, she doesn't get anything in life. She is shown to be very emotional, fragile, and sensitive, so that young girls are misled to believe that looking good is the main aim of a woman. Now according to this, see these questions which given here. You have to complete this both male image and female image. Some points here given, you complete it in your notebook. Now question are, would you like a hero who doesn't do all of these things? What message about the woman is being conveyed? See this chart, being beautiful and looking beautiful, like these two pathway here given. We have to screenshots of this and write the questions which given here in your notebook. Now what is addictions? Addiction is being a slave to a habit or practice to such an extent that it takes a lot of efforts to overcome it. What is the physical effects of addictions? Harmful effects of chewing, tobacco, pan masala, gutka, smoking. You are seeing these pictures in this video here. What are the physical effects of drug abuse? Vomiting, lung cancers, abdominal pain, diarrhea, contractions of HIV if injections are used, brain damage, breathing problems, heart attack, kidney and liver damage, constipations, possibility of accident if driving under influences of drugs. So like this, some effects of addictions on our body. Here see the process of being addicted. Trying an addictive substance for fun, illusions of having self-control over substance use, increasing dependency on addictive substance, brain's natural capacity to stay happy goes on reducing, finding it impossible to stay happy without substance use, becoming a slave to the substance. Like this, you addict by these some substances. Here, see in India, the number of addictions are increasing day by day. Then, according to one survey, suicides due to drugs related problem exceeded dowry, poverty, and money related suicides in India in the last 10 years. An average of around rupees 60 per day is spent on addiction by the regular addicts, which comes to about rupees 21,900 per year. Like this, some survey by the experts in India. This money could be used for education, buying home necessaries, amenities, etc. So see, when you should be saying no also, see this chart and make this chart in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. How can you say the no? Some idea given here. So this is a very important charts, and make that web charts in your notebook. Students, if you like this video, you subscribe to next update. Thank you.